Today we are going to look at the ITFIT A08B from Samsung C&T, which is a flexible neckband style wireless pair of earphones. So let's get started. Opening the box, you will find the instruction manual, some extra differently sized ear tips, a micro USB cable for charging, and the earphones themselves. This is the black version of these earphones, but they are also available in blue color. So these earphones are kind of a hybrid between regular wireless earphones and neckband style earphones, because even though we have a neckband, it's not very big or thick. These are a great choice for people who don't want anything hanging down their ears like other wired earphones, but also don't want traditional neckband style earphones as they don't move around the neck easily. We have these 3 buttons that control all the functions, so you can play or pause your music with the center button, which you can also use for answering or rejecting calls, or for redialing the last call number for making phone calls with the inbuilt microphone. The other 2 buttons can be used for controlling volume and changing tracks. So now I'll connect these with my smartphone, and you can of course also use this with tablets, laptops, TVs, or any other Bluetooth capable device. You can wear the earphones like this. You have this small clip that keeps them in place. The earbuds have these silver accents for a premium look, and they are small and light even after having 10mm drivers in them. Coming to comfort, they are pretty comfortable because the neckband supports their weight, and since the neckband is flexible, it also doesn't put any kind of pressure on your neck in any direction. The earbuds on these are also magnetic, so you can secure them around your neck when you don't want them in your ears, and these offer a 6-hour battery life, so you can have uninterrupted listening sessions when you are enjoying your music. So whether you just want to enjoy music on the go, work out in the gym, or have personal or business conversations, these flexible neckband earphones will have you covered. So that was our first look at the Samsung C&T ITFIT A08B wireless earphones, and you can buy these from Amazon.in. I will have the links to check these out in the video description, and you can subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or leave some thoughts in the comment section. I am Siddharth from TechReflex. Thanks for watching.